So far we have created the relation between the models using the has many, and now we are going to implement the relation between the tables. So open the jobs table, and here we're going to add a few columns. So the first column will be the job title, which will be a string. The next one, this one will be a string also, column for job type. Next, this one will be text, column for job description. Next, this one will be a string also, which will be a column for slag. It should be unique. Another column, this one will be text, column for salary. And job description will be nullable, make it nullable. And finally, let's put the foreign key. This one will be unsigned big integer. Client ID. And finally, foreign. Client ID. References ID on the users table. On delete cascade. And then let's save and migrate that table. So on the terminal, PHP artisan migrate. And that's it. So table migrated. Let's see from the PHP myadmin. So I'm going to refresh. And here we have that table, jobs, browse. And as you can see, it has all the columns. Let's try to insert something. And if you scroll down, you will find we have this client ID, which is now referencing on the users table. So if we click on this drop down, you'll see we have a user. So see you in the next lecture.